morning or good afternoon, guys. So I have a hard time to myself that's being a perfectionism. So I read in this morning what Bible verse that's perfectionism is the tip of joy. And in the Bible, I read called Self Talk to Success by John Manson. Is about fake diamonds are perfect, but real diamonds have flaws. So the Bible I read says that stop letting perfectionism hold you back. It's a dream killer. So it's true that uh, doing in a perfect time is nothing. It will not be happen. So uh, I was I post a while or yesterday about perfectionism. I'm hard to myself since I was 15 or 14 years old. I was lifting weights. So every day I beat my body, but usually not grow well. So I I have a muscle but it not grow. I changed my routine since then I was 20 or 15 to 18 I'm overtraining. So I changed my mindset that uh doing too much is cause you uh unhealthy or can make you can have a problem with if too much you do. So I changed my routine, but I cannot sleep properly in the evening. So I usually wear a headset to because our dog is noisy and sometimes the night bird dogs or other stuffs complicates me and I cannot sleep without headphones. So so that's all I video about this video about no matter overthink what people say and be do what you do and stop being perfectionism and don't hold you back. So that's all everyone guys. So I have a more workout uh the previous time that I have a time or I can do a workout stuff. Uh I will try a CD workouts in the near future. So Tom Holland Spider Man I will do that. So, thanks.